The tragic case of NHS worker Natalie Shotter, a mother of three, has taken a shocking turn as a court hears that she was repeatedly raped while unconscious on a park bench in Southall, West London. Prosecutors allege that her attacker, Iidow Mohamed, raped her again and again until she died, in a horrifying ordeal that has left the community reeling. In a harrowing testimony, the court learned that 37-year-old Natalie Shotter's lifeless body was found on a park bench after what appeared to be a night out gone horribly wrong. Prosecutor Alison Morgan KC painted a devastating picture of what had allegedly unfolded that fateful night on July 17, 2021. Described as vulnerable due to her struggles with mental health, alcohol dependency, and drug abuse, Ms. Shotter was out enjoying herself before becoming the victim of a brutal attack. CCTV footage, although grainy and distant, revealed chilling details of the moment Mohamed allegedly assaulted her while she lay unconscious. Ms. Morgan informed the jury that Shotter showed no signs of movement, making it clear she was not conscious, let alone able to consent to the acts that ultimately led to her death. Despite the absence of visible injuries or any sign of struggle, the prosecution contends that it was the repeated sexual assault that caused her demise. Ms. Shotter's vulnerability, exacerbated by her small stature and the fact she had been drinking, made her an easy target. Although she had likely inhaled amyl nitrate, commonly known as poppers, the prosecution insists that the substance did not directly cause her death but instead left her more exposed to harm. The night began innocently enough, with CCTV footage showing a carefree and happy Natalie walking through the streets, talking on her mobile phone, and even dancing outside a shop with strangers. It was a stark contrast to the tragic end she would meet just hours later, alone in a dark park. As more CCTV footage is expected to be shown to the jury, depicting Mohamed's alleged assault, the chilling details of that night continue to unfold. Mohamed, who has pleaded not guilty to charges of rape and manslaughter, maintains his innocence, but the weight of the evidence presented by the prosecution suggests otherwise. As the trial continues, the community and Shotter's family are left grappling with the tragic loss of a mother who had faced her own battles but never deserved such a brutal fate. The case underscores the profound vulnerability that substance abuse and mental health challenges can bring, and the terrifying ways in which those vulnerabilities can be exploited. With the trial still in progress, one can only hope that justice will be served for Natalie Shotter and her loved ones.